already breathing heavy.
Yeah, good thing I don't have a mic on.
I got it. You like that? Hey. Babe, that was a little scary.
You have it? Because I have to wipe my eye.
Yeah.
Wow, my legs are really getting to work out here.
Yeah, they are. Nice little date. You want to zip this up? So that way you can like clip this on it so you don't have to worry about it. I can put my seatbelt on it. Trail riding.
Wow. This is a workout, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I'm breathing hard. But it's super easy in a sense because you're gliding on the railroad, but it's still a workout, but it's like you don't even feel that way because of all the beautiful scenery and stuff that's around. And we're pretty far apart from each other, so there's like a pretty big group of us. Let me make sure my bag doesn't fly off.
Oh no, she's off. Oh shit.
She derailed.
How do we
Oh fuck. Stop. Nice. Yeah. Nice. Let's just stop and let them catch up.
Yeah.
That's our bike guide down there. Let's go over to this part because this is really okay. Yo, my heart was in my butt.
100%.
Because that's the part where they derail, so. Oh, those are the railroad spikes we saw.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I don't know why they came off, but alright, you're good.
Cool.
Awesome.
The road's right there, you'll be stopping.
Okay. Nice.
I think that's Bobby Z, our guide
Okay, nice.
here at America Rail Trails. That's all I got.
Hey, American Rail Trails. And there's also a trail too. So you can book this tour or you can just go walking. I don't know if you have to pay to just come into the park, but it's definitely worth the price.
I love the music. I love it.
There's houses right along here as well.
Now we stopped this way to get back going.
So we missed the safety talk, so we got here just in time for us to jump on our tandem bikes and begin our adventure, like literally. Like they were all flooded. I made sure to get my stuff together and our water and our snacks because that is the safety feature we need.
Well, I made sure to get us signed in.
That's important.
And sign our safety waivers that we needed to ride.
Oh yeah, the little things.
So we got my fortunate here.
Alright. Just like that. I'll get you across. There you go.
Thank
Awesome,
you.
thanks.
Smells like they're smoking and jamming out to music on the rail trail.
Somebody had the right idea to bring music, or they're listening to it on their phone. I don't know, but they are jamming. Chickens.
Glad I don't have to steer because I'm not pushing around.
Yeah, and it's nice too because like when either one of us are driving, like of course we're gonna have to pay attention. But with this, you can pedal and look.
Excuse me. How long of a ride is this? 7 miles. It's 7?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. That's light work. We can do that. It's a good little workout.
Yeah.
Oh, we're 14 miles in.
Oh.
Yeah, you can do
Oh yeah, you're right.
work.
You're right. It is light work.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Y'all too.
take credit for the design. I built it, but it's pretty much industry standard for these bikes.
Oh, wow. So then we just roll back this way. Are we just going to go back this way?
Yep.
Oh, nice.
Go back the same way you came.
So I guess that was like 3.5 miles.
And then the same mileage back to do 7?
Yeah, this is the oldest continuously used tunnel in the United States. This is yours. That'll make me feel better because I look around and I was like,
We're back on after our break.
I'm not going to pedal at all. You were on that side.
Hopefully we have some hills because
You don't even
we
have
was huffing and puffing. I mean, we were.
yeah, well, I was definitely.
I stopped pedaling multiple times. So
Yeah.
this one right here, champ.
Oh my god.
Legs strong.
I go to the speed limit. Begrudgingly. Good guys, this is off too. Yep, it is. Take your time.
Thank you. Taking off my sweater might have not been the best way.
And this is where we flipped our bikes,
Don't. Oh, okay.
like to turn them around.
Not today. Carry the team this way. It's a heart.
Oh, it's a heart. Okay, nice. Back through. This is our view from behind. Oh,
This feels uphill.
starting to slow up a little.
I'm okay with that.
Yeah.
I wonder if these people at the very front are just slow. I'm
Could
totally
be.
okay with that.
Totally.
Let's take it slow and steady. Felt like we were racing up to the top.
This is way easier to keep pace
Yeah, I like
because we're not rushing.
This pace feels real
Yeah,
good.
this is nice.
Yes.
Hi. What are they looking at? What happened?
I like this, us being able to take turns.
Yeah, 100%. And it's easy enough to do that on the way back.
Yeah.
On the way there, absolutely not.
I thought it was.
We had an army behind us. But now we're at the caboose, so there's only about 3 people behind us, so we can go a little slower.
The people in front of us are going a little slower, which helps.
Right.
Is that a bug?
Yep.
Damn, someone lost their bug. Not I.
You would never.
This grassy rail. It's so beautiful.
It's absolutely beautiful.
I'm gonna let the car go and then I'll get back. Okay? All right, go ahead. We'll just do one at a time. Just hold up for the second bite.
Okay.
I'm gonna get my hands on it and I'll make sure you get it out. Yep.
So I think I have my card over.
Hold up. All right. I just want to make sure you guys don't come off.
Cool.
Yeah.
I think you'll be all right. We'll see.
We'll see.
Okay.
No problem.
Cool beans.
Nice.
Oh, this is
Smooth sailing. Yeah, they're literally right here.
I could touch their trash can.
The grass is so green.
It's luscious inside.
Mm-hmm.
This little green shack looks adorable.
Is that a chicken coop?
I think so. Someone's yard.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Beautiful.
So beautiful. I love for
Free
this
range.
area.
Uh-huh.
And it's the real car.
Our view for the day. Not bad.
Not bad at all. That's cute.
Wonder if it's like still in use.
Oh goodness, here's another road crossing.
I don't see anybody. Nice.
Look at us. There's another road crossing. Oh, there it is. There it is.
That's where some people got derailed last time. So we're just making sure we're not in that statistic. We breathing hard out here. Well, I am. She's doing her best. She's doing so good.
Sorry, baby.
I'm trying not to have my mouth open so I don't have bugs fly in it, but so far we're doing good. Oh. Starting to slow up a little bit.
Okay, great. It's all starting to breathe in. Wow.
I would love it if this was close by, because I would literally have my own rail car and just go on my own. I'd build my own. Yeah. Starting to have to use a little leg power here. I can go fishing right down in there. Oh,
It's fun.
nice.
Did you guys enjoy it?
So
Oh
good.
yeah,
Thank
it's
you.
so fun. Oh my gosh. Sorry. I think I got your. Is this locked?
I'm trying
You okay? Here.
Your legs hurt.
Hold it down. There you go.
I have to drive home.
Is that locked?
Yeah.
Okay. Legs feeling like jelly. Ugh. Okay. Oh my gosh, my legs.
I love that.
Oh gosh, that was so much fun.
How
Well, who are you gonna tip then? Because there's all of them.
they can split it.
Oh yeah, that's true. Okay, cool. Nice. Thank you so much. Yes.
Coming. I don't know if you folks frequent any social media platforms, but if you do, if you could leave a review, the owner would appreciate it.
Awesome,
Absolutely.
thank you.
Thank you.
You too. That's a cool bicycle.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, do your legs feel like jelly still?
100%. I can barely walk straight.
Oh, I wonder how far up you can go.
Right. Oh yeah, baby, the backpack feels so good.
Yeah, I think I put the water in there and it fell upside down because you didn't close it all the way.
Did I even
So,
drink that water?
I think so.
Interesting.
But
Uh-oh, that's not fair. Maybe
It's okay.
we can deal with that when we get to the car.
yeah. Oh yeah. Oh man. Yeah, my knee. I didn't think I was gonna be able to like ride as well.
Well, if going back was as hard as going forward, I would have struggled a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm glad we slowed it down for like
Yeah, me
the
too.
second I used the button.
Good. Nice. Back in the car. Oh my gosh. That was so much fun. I'm so glad we made it in time. As soon as we got here, they were loading up. Like everyone was loading up to like get on their bikes, so we didn't know if we were gonna make it, but we was rushing down these mountain roads. But we made it in time, and it was so much fun. Highly recommend. And I wonder if they have ones that go longer.
Mm.
All right, charger time.
Yeah. Why not?
this one open?
Yeah, babe. It's so open.
Nice.
Babe. Yes.
Is this one available?
Yes, CCS hyper fast. Yes. Oh, nice, babe. We made it.
We was sweating because I don't know if you guys can see this, but okay. All right, charging time.
Connecting to vehicle.
Maybe I'm glad that we didn't put the windows down because it's kind of chilly out here a little bit. Welcome, driver. Oh yeah. Let me see. Oops.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm glad the windows are down because.
From the steak and the shrimp that we're gonna make, we're also gonna make a soup because we got some beef bones that we got from the ribeye the other day. The entire rib there, and we got a bunch of vegetables left over in the fridge. And we got
Did you ever grab some fire stick remote?
there's some fresh air in here.
Oh.
Yeah. Are we gonna get a drink?
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to park all the way in the back on this side. Hold on. Yeah. We're on this side and there's no parking up here. We're gonna have to go all the way around to this side to go park.
Okay.
That'd be really nice. I think I shouldn't have eaten that chocolate. Oh yeah, I did quiet down somehow. Oh yeah, you're right.
Are you guys going down?
We're going up.
Oh.
Okay, there's a microwave.
Okay, that's a good sign.
Nice little chair. Okay.
Ew.
And I don't think,
Nice king bed.
yeah, it's nice and big.
It does have my favorite bed time too. open the bath. Feels real nice.
Good. How is it?
Good.
Okay. Oh yeah, I'm totally gonna make that sausage sandwich.
Cool. So we'll go back and get the green bag and your pillow, right?
Mm-hmm. Bathroom.
Oh no, I heard chocolate.
Okay, nice ramp up.
And then we're 53 minutes from Hershey.
Okay, cool. I like that.
Me too.